Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate runes in Elden Ring. This process primarily involves manipulating your game's save data. You'll need to create a backup of your current save file before attempting any duplication. While effective, it's important to note that this method is generally considered an exploit and might impact your intended gameplay experience. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you can perform it safely and efficiently. Before you begin, the most critical step is preparing your save file. First, locate your Elden Ring save data on your gaming platform. Once found, make a complete copy of this file and store it in a separate, secure location. This backup acts as your safety net, allowing you to revert to your original rune count if any issues arise during the duplication process. Always double-check that your backup is complete and accessible. Now for the duplication itself. The core idea is to give your runes to another player in a multiplayer session. After transferring your runes, restore your game using the save file you backed up earlier. This will effectively bring back your original rune count. Then, simply have the other player return the runes to you. You can repeat this cycle to multiply your runes, potentially gaining millions in a short amount of time. While effective, there are important considerations. This method relies heavily on having a trusted friend or a second account to facilitate the transfer. Be aware that accumulating an extremely large number of runes can significantly alter the game's intended balance, potentially diminishing the challenge. Always, and I mean always, confirm your save file is correctly backed up before initiating any duplication to prevent accidental loss of progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.